Hi student, this is Arogya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Second term, Unit 4 Measurement, Part 1. In this video, we are going to learn about weight, capacity and also conversion, some activities. Measurement. Yes, we have already learnt this heading in the first term itself, ma. But in the first term, we learnt about length only. But in the second term, we are going to learn about both weight and also capacity. Just we are going to compare and then learn the example. Just we use measuring tape, isn't it? To find out the length. Okay. We have many usage. Fine. But to find out the weight, we use like this weighing machine and also like this analog machine also. But for capacity, we use container, just 1 liter container or 500 ml container, 50 ml and so on. So in this video, we are going to focus on weight and capacity briefly. See here, we have more items to find out the measurement of weight more. According to their level, we can use any one of this. Okay. Okay. Come to our portion. See, these three images are given in your book. First one is simple balance. Second one is analog weighing machine. Third one is digital weighing machine. So what is the difference between them? I'll show you. See here. In the simple balance, both sides should be balanced. Clear? So you might have seen in the jewelry shop also. Hereafter, if you go means, sure you have to watch everything. Clear, ma? Come to the second one, analog weighing machine. Yes. In this, look at the needle. It shows, isn't it? Okay. Then third one, in the name itself we can find out. The measurement shows as a digits. That's it. Hope you understand. Let us see the capacity also. Yes. This was given in your book. Just for recall, these are the containers which we use for capacity, isn't it? Okay. Let us see the example also. For 50 ml, I show that hand sanitizer. Okay. Fine. 250 ml Vim gel. For 500 ml, yes, you know all know. Just 500 ml Avin milk. Then 750 ml Limca. Then 1000 ml 1 liter gingerly oil or 1 liter water, whatever maybe. Okay. So not only this, you can watch your home also. Watch at home. வீட்ல என்னென்ன things இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க. What are all in the liquid items. Just you watch it. So look at that capacity. அதோட capacity எவ்வளோங்கிறத you can see at the back side of that can. Hope you understand. Fine. Comparison. So conversion table to meter, gram and liter. Okay. So this table also we have already learnt, ma. See here. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, isn't it? That means half meter. 1 meter வந்து 100 centimeter na adula பாதி half meter equal to 50 centimeter, right? Okay. That means 1/4 meter equal to 25 centimeter, 3/4 meter equal to 75 centimeter. So these four we often use, but 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. This we use rare only, but just keep in mind. Come to the gram. இங்க 1 மீட்டர் ஈக்குவல் டு 1000 சென்டிமீட்டர் படிச்ச மாதிரி இங்க 1 கிலோகிராம் தான் நம்ம அடிக்கடி யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ 1 கிலோகிராம் ஈக்குவல் டு 1000 இதை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். ஸோ மீட்டர்னா அங்கே 100 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். இங்கே 1 கிலோகிராம் மீன்ஸ் 1000 கிராமை ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும். கிளியர்? ஓகே. தட் மீன்ஸ் ஹாஃப் கிலோகிராம், எஸ், 1000ல பாதி 500. ஸோ ஹாஃப் கிலோகிராம் ஈக்குவல் டு 500 கிராம். 1/4 கிலோகிராம் ஈக்குவல் டு 250 கிராம் அல்லது 1/4 கிலோ சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Then 3/4 kilogram equal to 750 gram. Then what about liter? Here also the same, so no need to worry about that. இங்க எப்படி 1 கிலோக்கு நம்ம படிக்கிறோமோ லிட்டர்லயும் 1 லிட்டருக்கு தான் நம்ம படிச்சுக்கணும். So 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, half liter equal to 500 ml. The same only. Are you feeling thirsty? Yes. Okay. If you want, you can refresh yourself. Just pause here and then watch continuously. Let us recall, ma. Wait. Sort out the following things and write. See here, some images are given, ma. From this, we are going to segregate under the heading of need to measure or no need to measure. ஸோ கொடுத்துருக்கிற இமேஜஸ் வச்சு இதெல்லாம் எந்த வெஜிடபிள்ஸ் ஆர் எந்த ஐட்டம்ஸ்லாம் மெஷர் பண்ணி வாங்குவோம் ஆர் மெஷர் பண்ணாமல் அப்படியே அமௌண்ட் கொடுத்து வாங்குவோம். தட் இஸ் த கொஷின். லெட் us see that answer. Yes, brinjal we need to measure of half kg or 1 kg, isn't it? Chilli also, ma. But for tender coconut, no need to measure, isn't it? It's a single piece rate, so no need to measure. Banana also, it comes under dozen. So no need to measure, but nowadays it's available for half kg, 1 kg also, ma. But no problem. Then come to the jelly. It's already packed, ma. So no need to measure. But mangoes and grains both comes under need to measure. Is it clear, ma? Fine. Let us recall one is given, ma. Just we have already learned this. 10 milligram equal to what? 1 centigram, isn't it? 10 centigram equal to 1 decigram. 10 decigram equal to 1 gram. Okay. Here both sides are empty. So 10 gram equal to 1 decagram. Clear? So here 10 decagram equal to 1 hectagram. Finally 10 hectagram equal to 1 kilogram. Have you all marked it out? Okay. Let us see the activity here. It's interesting one. Tick the suitable unit to measure the following objects. So now we are going to put the tick whether it comes under milligram or kilogram. That's the question. So milligram, yes. Before that we need to do the conversion. One more activity was given, ma. See here, this rice, according to which base we have to buy. அதாவது மில்லிகிராம் அளவில் வாங்குவோமா ஆர் கிலோகிராம் அளவில் வாங்குவோமான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ மில்லிகிராம்னாலே இட்ஸ் அ ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் யூனிட். ஸோ ஷியோர் வி குடின் பை ரைஸ் இன் அ மில்லிகிராம். ஸோ இட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் கிலோகிராம் ஒன்லி. ஓகே, நீங்கள் கூட உங்கள் வீட்டில் எவ்வளோக்கு வாங்குறாங்கன்னு கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. ஜஸ்ட் ஹாவ் அ நாலேஜ். ஓகே, தென் செகண்ட் ஒன் green gram. It's also comes under kilogram. Drumstick also not only exact kilogram. கிலோகிராம்னாலே 1 கிலோ தான்ற மீனிங் கிடையாது. அரை கிலோவும் வாங்கலாம். கன்வர்ஷன் டேபிள் படித்தோம் இல்லையா? எஸ். ஆர் 3/4 கிலோ அந்த மாதிரி கூட வாங்கலாம். ஓகேவா? பட் ஷியர் இட் கம்ஸ் அண்டர் கிலோகிராம் ஒன்லி, நாட் இன் மில்லிகிராம். தட்ஸ் த மேட்டர். தென் grapes also kg. Finally this legumes also comes under kg only. This activity was given in the capacity area. See, it's very easy. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, isn't it? 2 liter equal to 2000 milliliter. Then 3 liter equal to what? Yes, you are right. 3000 ml. That is milliliter. 4 liter? Yeah, 4000 milliliter. Come to this 5 liter 300 ml. அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? It's very easy to write, isn't it? Okay, but we will explain in the exercise summa. Okay, now come to this 6 liter equal to what? 6000 ml. 7 liter equal to 7000 ml. You all know now, isn't it? So 8 liter 400 ml equal to 8400 ml. Clear? The same procedure. So 9 liter equal to 9000 ml. 10 liter 200 ml equal to 10,200 ml. Have you all filled it? In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு.